How to find and contact Uber customer support. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily contact the Uber's customer service. In order to do that, you can do it from the app as well, or what you could do is open up your web browser, and then on the search bar you're simply going to search for Uber customer support. So let's just do that, Uber customer support, and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here, help.uber.com. You can even call Uber support if you want. So I'm just going to go to Uber's customer service, and you can choose what you need help with. So what you can do here is choose, let's say if you want help with riders or delivering and driving, you could choose that. And here you'll find all of the available topics. Now, in order to contact them, you can log into your account or sign up if you don't have an account. And once you have done that, you will have an option to choose what kind of support you want. So let's say if you want help with Uber Eats, you could choose that. If you want help with bikes and scooters or Uber for Business, any of these options you can choose from there. Let's say if I'm having trouble placing orders, you can choose this option. So let's just choose this one, ordering pickups at venues. So here you'll find all of the options here. Now, if you don't find your desired answer on the article, you can directly contact their customer service. Now you can directly tap on this option, call Uber driver support. So you can find their number on their website. You can open the app and you can try the phone support. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically call Uber support or contact the Uber's customer service. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.